அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். கடைசி வீடியோவில் நம்ம குரூப் தியரி அண்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸை பற்றி பார்த்தோம். இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம ரிங்கும் அதோட டெஃபனிஷனும் அது எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸை பற்றி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். ஆக்சுவலாக ரிங்னு சொல்லும்போது ஆல்ஜிப்ரா நம்பர் தியரி டாப்பிக்கில் உள்ள ஃபஸ்ட் யூனிட். ஸோ அதில் செகண்ட் செக்ஷன் ரிங் தியரி. ஃபஸ்ட் பார்ட் குரூப் தியரி, செகண்ட் பார்ட் ரிங் தியரி. The definition of the ring is a non-empty set together with the operations. There is a two operations such that R plus is abelian. A comma B belongs to R implies A dot B belongs to R. A dot B dot C equal to A dot B dot C. A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus A dot C. B plus C dot A equal to B dot A plus C dot A. Actually, the group theory, that is a group means together with the single operator. So star is closed and star is associated to, and identity element is exists and inverse element is exists. And the ring means together with the two operations. We take the two operators, that is plus and dot, such that it satisfies the following conditions. So first one is plus is abelian, that is abelian group. Second one is dot is closed. Third one is dot is associative. And fourth one is it satisfies the distributive properties. Then the examples of ring theory. So determinant where Z plus dot is ring with binary operation x direct sum y is equal to x plus y minus 1, and x dot y is equal to x plus y minus xy comma x comma y comma z belongs to set of integers, or x comma y belongs to set of integers. என்ன கற்றுக்கான அந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் ஒன்று டிஃபைன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், the operations, that is x plus y is equal to x plus y minus 1 and x dot y is equal to x plus y minus xy. Prove that or verify that z plus dot is ring. So out of the solution, here x and y are the elements in set of integers. So to prove, first claim Z plus is abelian group. That is to prove x plus is abelian and then x plus is a group. So group means first you satisfy the closure property. So what is the closure property? We take the any two elements in that plus, that is also belongs to set of integers. That is, let x comma y belongs to set of integers. X direct sum y, here the plus is operator, x plus y, that x is belongs to z, y is belongs to z. The x plus y is equal to x plus y minus 1, that is also belongs to set of integers. X is an integer, y is an integer. For example, 2 and 3, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, 4 is in z. So x plus x direct sum y is also belongs to z. Therefore z direct sum, that is z plus is closed. Then plus is associative. associative. We take the three elements in the set, that is, let x comma y comma z belongs to set of integers x dot y, that is x plus y plus z is equal to that x plus direct sum y plus z is equal to y plus z minus 1 is equal to, again apply the operator, x plus y equal to first value plus second value minus 1. So, x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to x plus y plus z minus 2. Now, take the RHS. X direct sum y direct sum z is equal to x plus y minus 1 plus z is equal to x plus y minus 1 plus z minus 1. So, x plus y plus z minus 2. So, compare these two. Therefore, x direct sum y plus z equal to x plus y plus z. Therefore, plus is associative. Therefore, plus is associative. Then identity, let x belongs to z and e belongs to z such that x plus e equal to x plus e equal to x plus e equal to x, that is x plus e minus 1 equal to x. This x cancel, e minus 1 equal to 0, e equal to 1. 1 is belongs to set of z. Therefore, the identity exists. Now you find the inverse. Let x belongs to set of integers. So x inverse is the inverse of x, that is x plus x inverse is equal to identity. X plus x inverse is equal to 1. So, I already find the identity element is 1. So, x plus x inverse minus 1 equal to 1. So, x plus x inverse equal to then 2, that is equal to x inverse equal to 2 minus x. So, x inverse equal to 2 minus x. So, that is also belongs to set of integers. Therefore, plus C satisfies the four properties. One is closed, first one is closed, then second one is associative, the third identity and inverse, and then abelian. X plus y equal to, that is abelian. X plus y equal to x plus y minus 1. So, that is equal to y plus x. Therefore, x plus y equal to y plus x. Therefore, z plus is abelian group. Z plus is abelian. So, our first part முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. The second, we prove dot is associative. Second claim, dot is so dot is closed. Second, We take the any two elements in that Z, that is x comma y belongs to Z, such that x dot y equal to, what is x dot y you define? X plus y minus xy. So x is an integer, y is an integer, xy is also integer. For example, we take 2 plus 3, 2 comma 3, that is 2 plus 3 minus 6, that is 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 0 is also belongs to set of integers. So that element is also belongs to set of integers. Therefore x comma y belongs to Z implies, therefore x comma dot y is also belongs to set of integer. Therefore dot is closed. Now third condition, dot is associative. Dot is associative. Dot is associative. Claim dot is associative. What is the associative property? A dot B, no, x, we take the variables x, that is x dot y dot z equal to, we prove x dot y dot z is associate the three elements. We take the LHS, x dot y dot z is equal to x dot, what is y dot z? We define dot, that is y plus z minus yz is equal to, what is x dot y plus z minus yz? First one, x plus y plus z minus yz minus this two, that is x into y plus z minus yz is equal to, multiply x plus y plus z minus yz minus xy minus xz plus xy z, that is x dot y dot z. Then that is called 1. Now x dot y dot z is equal to, what is x dot y? X dot x plus y minus xy dot z is equal to x plus y minus xy plus z minus x plus y minus xy and z. So that is x plus y minus xy plus z minus x minus xz minus yz plus xy z called 2. So this is x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z minus xy minus yz minus xz plus xy. So from 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Then we prove the third condition. Fourth one is distributive. What's the distributive law? A dot B plus C is equal to, that is x dot y direct sum z is equal to x dot y plus x dot z. Take LHS. LHS equal to x dot y direct sum z, that is equal to x dot, that is x plus x direct sum. What is y plus z? Y plus z minus 1 equal to x dot y plus z. Y z dot is operator, that is x plus y plus z minus 1 minus x into y plus z minus 1 is equal to x plus y plus z minus 1 minus xy minus xz plus x minus xy minus xz plus x. So is equal to 2x plus y plus z minus xy minus xz minus 1. Call 3. Now we take the RHS. Take the RHS. What is the RHS? RHS equal to x dot y plus x dot y plus x dot z. X dot z. So that is x plus y minus xy plus x plus z minus xz. So plus this operator is equal to, adding these two, x plus y is equal to x plus y minus 1. So x plus y minus xy plus x plus z minus xz minus 1. So that is equal to this 2x plus y minus xy minus xz minus 1. So x plus, that is x plus, that is 2x plus y plus z plus z minus xy minus xz minus 1. That is called 4. From 3 and 4 we get x direct sum y plus z is equal to x direct sum y plus z is equal to x dot y plus x dot z. Similarly prove y dot y plus z dot x is equal to y dot x plus z dot x, z dot x, y plus x plus z dot x. Therefore plus and dot is distributive. Therefore it satisfies. So first condition, plus is abelian group. Second one is dot is closed. Third condition, dot is associative. Fourth condition, distributive condition is hold. So the conclusion is, therefore Z plus dot is a ring. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.